Cam, reckon how many shuttles you've ridden on in your life?
Oh man, I'm gonna have to say probably around over 1,000.
Oh, I'm sure. Well over 1,000.
Over 1,000. Over 5,000.
That's what. No, look past that.
Oh, they just keep coming.
Shannon,
What is it?
they got a big group of Boy Scouts camping. It's going to be kayaking today. Yay! We're back on the paint. Got baby doll with me. Got James. He's not baby doll. There's supposed to be a bunch of other people showing up.
Oh man.
All right. We do have a bunch of Boy Scouts right over the hill. So, may not be a very quiet day. But at least it'll be a day on the river. So this is my first outing in this boat. And first 50 yards. Dude, this thing is huge. It is wide. I didn't really realize how wide it was. Got Shannon down there in the next. She's kind of digging it. This is about perfect right now. It's about 77 degrees. It's humid because, well, we're in Alabama. The water's kind of muddy. They had a lot of rain upstream. Actually, this is August 23rd and maybe Thursday. This is Saturday, and I think Thursday evening they actually had a tornado warning upstream of us. So that's probably why got a lot of heavy rain. So that's probably why the water's so muddy. But we have Austin and his wife. We have Amanda and her corgi. I can't remember her corgi's dog's name. And we have James, and we have Ethan and Ashley, and we have Cam and Sam. Y'all know Cam. Cam's been with us on a lot of bite me trips. So, and Sam is his girlfriend. So, but this is beautiful. Look at that. Crazy how cold that water is, and spring right there. Look how clear this water is right here. Yeah. Now we can go ahead and paddle out and let them come up in here. Spring's right there. It's cool. That water is cool. What do you think of that, Cam? Jared went down there, but I don't think Jared got to go If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing so you can join us on the rest of our crazy adventures. Remember to get out and find your own adventure, because even bad adventures make great stories. Thanks for tagging along with us today, guys.